What do sticky notes have to do with saving lives? Sounds crazy, right? But this small, colorful square did something far bigger than just help us stay organized. It actually helped revolutionize medicine and healthcare as we know it. Yup, you heard that right. Today I'm going to tell you the insane story of how a failed experiment and a silly idea from a choir singer led to a medical breakthrough that saved millions of lives. Stick around because what you're about to hear will blow your mind. Now, before Post-it notes became the kings of office desks and to-do lists, they were just a mistake. Seriously, it all started back in the 1960s at a company called 3M, known for making all kinds of cool things. Meet Spencer Silver, a scientist working on a super strong adhesive. But, plot twist, what he created instead was a super weak one. It barely stuck to anything, and when it did, it could be peeled off without leaving a trace. So imagine this. He's trying to create a glue that's stronger than anything else, and instead he ends up with, well, something that barely sticks. If this happened to me, I'd probably just throw it away and move on. But Spencer, he saw something different. He kept thinking, maybe this weak adhesive could be just what we need for something else. And that's when a choir singer named Art Fry stepped in. Art Fry, a 3M engineer and choir member, had a problem. His bookmarks kept falling out of his hymnal at church. So what did he do? Instead of just dealing with it, he had a crazy idea. What if I could use Spencer's weak adhesive to make a bookmark that would stay in place, but wouldn't leave a sticky residue on the pages? And boom! The first sticky bookmark was born. But Fry didn't stop there. He saw the potential, and soon 3M realized this silly idea could be a game changer for everything, from notes to reminders, from office work to classrooms. Fast forward a few years and we have the Post-it notes we all know today. But here's where the story takes a wild turn, one that involves medicine. All right, now, hold on. Here's the unexpected part. Remember that weak adhesive from Post-its? Well, it didn't just stick to paper. One smart scientist realized that this same adhesive could revolutionize medicine. Enter Dr. Arthur Langer, a researcher at the University of Wisconsin. He was working on a way to deliver medications through the skin instead of using needles or pills. But one major problem, the adhesives used to attach these medication patches to the skin would often irritate it. That's when he thought, hey, what if I use the same gentle adhesive from Post-it notes? And guess what? It worked. This led to the creation of the nicotine patch, one of the most successful transdermal drug delivery systems ever created. And it didn't stop there. The Post-it adhesive paved the way for patches that deliver all kinds of life-saving medications, from pain relief to birth control. What started as a silly idea to keep bookmarks in place changed the entire way we think about medicine. So what's the takeaway here? Well, it's simple. Sometimes the most unexpected ideas can lead to the biggest breakthroughs. What might seem like a silly thought or a failed experiment can actually change the world. Who knows? Maybe you have a silly idea right now that could change someone's life. And who knows, maybe you're the next person to revolutionize healthcare or even the world. You never know where an idea will take you. If this story blew your mind, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insane stories, and leave a comment telling me about the craziest, most unexpected health breakthroughs you've heard of. Who knows, maybe your comment will inspire the next big thing. Until next time, remember, even the silliest ideas can stick and change the world.